Now time for the main course. This main course is pretty banging. It's something that we've served a lot in the restaurants. So it's a West Indian lamb curry basically. So we've got our lamb, we've got a delicious curry sauce. It's got a lot of sort of nutmeg in it, that sort of vibe, nutmeg, clove. And then we've got some deep fried dumplings that are almost like a normal dumpling, but you deep fry it and it still puffs out, but you get a crunchy outside and a soft inside. And then we've got some marinated greens. And then we've got our sort of herbs and pickles, which won't be quite like that, but there'll be spring onions and other nice bits in there, something similar to that anyway. So first thing, one, fried dumplings, put them in the oven. So dumplings into the oven, hasn't changed since the starter, so it's at 180, that'll be fine. Next, curry sauce. We're gonna go for a big one because it's kind of like, it's somewhere between a sort of curry and a soup, but a very spicy stew, shall we say. Not very spicy, the right amount of spice. Okay, so that goes in. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in and leave it low. I think I'm gonna keep the lamb quite big and chunky, so I'm gonna leave it low to heat up and bring the lamb up with it. I'll put it on full power. It'll come up to a boil really fast, and the lamb will still be cold in the middle. So we're gonna keep it low, let the heat infuse, and it'll be about the same time as the dumplings. Okay, so this is nice and hot now. It's been about 15 minutes, I guess, and the lamb's just starting to sort of come apart. The sauce looks really nice, and it's bubbling hot, and it's on the lowest temperature this can go at, so it's just simmering, which is pretty ideal. And now, these guys are well hot, but still, they're kind of like crumbly, falling apart. They're really good. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the greens that we had earlier and put them into there, just to warm them up so they're not a big shock on the plate. They don't have to be hot or anything like that, but just a couple of minutes in the oven just to give them a warm. They really do just take a couple of minutes because they're nice and hot, nice and warm. So what I'm planning on doing is sort of piling the meat up in one side, and kind of letting the juice all run down. I'll take our greens. The plan is to pile them on the other side. And then we're going to put these bad boys on. I think we used to do it in a line like that, I think. This will be a little bit different to what you guys are going to get. There'll be spring onion in yours, and pickled ginger is what I'm planning. But yeah, and then I don't know, I think we just mix this one up and just go a little bit all over.